Hello to all my friends out there. So we're having some food, some salad food. I bought this salad at Smart and Final. And I bought this cheese at Grocery Outlet, like 120 pieces. I think that's a way to go. I use these on my taco salad too. It was good. Somebody's been working hard, and it wasn't me, to be honest. You know what was hard work? Posting the advertising on my YouTube. But I appreciate it, so it's okay. Thank you, Jack. If you go onto my Instagram, you can see the furniture Jack's mom gave me. I really love it. It's getting festive at my house, very festive. Sometime today, I'm going to make some pumpkin donuts. You know those cookies I made with the fruit on top? Those are delicious. You got to try that. I made them with butter. That probably helped. Okay, and so I have some turkey lunch meat. Really glad I bought this too. Okay, so we're having some salad. I buy the salad dressing for $1. And so you guys saw I bought crackers. The reason I bought crackers is because I have salami in there. And I want to make some little snacks. Here's mine. I always go for the Thousand Island. So if you stockpile cheese and you stockpile turkey, someone was saying, you know, the power can go out. And, you know, you can be left with no food in the freezer. But what's good about lunch meat and cheese is you can make a little meat and cheese sandwich. For years, I used to eat cheeseburgers for lunch. God bless you all.